In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a Canon Vixia Camcorder with a black screen and with a touchscreen that is non-responsive. Okay. Now the first thing you should make sure is that the lens cap is open. Okay, now I already fixed this. Now if it's black, just move the viewfinder down this way. So it should be straight, facing down. And then you should see the screen power on. Now it may remain upside down and not right side up. At the same time, the touch screen also may not be functioning. So what you do is tap these two options right here, this icon and this icon. And if they don't respond, tap them a few times until they do, and then the touch screen should start working again. Now if it doesn't, what you could do is you can power the camera off by pressing this button right here, and then when you power it back on, it should start working again. Another thing you should do is you should make sure that the viewfinder screen is clean, because that may be interfering with the touchscreen functionality. Also, make sure the camera is charged. By implementing these steps, this should fix the problem. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.